I successfully completed all 4 levels of the ICOFP exam, which is in association with the FPSB. I would strongly recommend to each one of you to please have a look at the workbook and textbooks made available to us by ICOFP. They're extremely helpful and informative. Secondly, ICOFP is kind enough to organize mock tests as well as have preparatory classes for students appearing in these exams. These doubt clearing sessions are of amazing help. If you attend these doubt clearing sessions, I can assure you, you will clear all levels on the first go like I did. And I give full credit to these doubt clearing sessions and the professors taking efforts on us through these classes. These classes are absolutely free, there's no charge for it. Please make most of this, and wishing you the very best to clear each and every exam on the first go.